George Cooper. My daughter's here to try out.
Come on, I'm not going to put a girl on my team.
Why not?
Look, sweetheart, I just think it's great you want to be on the team, but these boys are going to eat you alive.
I'm not afraid of them.
Well, maybe you should be. She gets up to bat, someone deliberately throws a ball at her, it's going to make contact.
Whoa!
Oh, dear Lord.
Whoa. Hold it.
It happens. She's okay.
Brush it off, Missy. Whoa!
What the
Son
hell?
of a bitch! Hey! Hold it. We talked about this.